owners who might just be considering alternative to Figma, Framer is an AI tool that kind of help you achieve um, the same goal, right? Very straightforward. Go to framer.com, create an account. Once you've created the account, you can just head over and create a workspace, right? Just like I've just created free one here. You can create a workspace and you can switch within the dark mode. For me, I like the dark mode. You can switch, you can sign out, you can create a workspace. I already created the sample design workspace for this tutorial, right? Next thing we're going to do is to create a project. So I already created a sample project here. I can rename it as well and call it another sample project, right? And then that becomes the project, right? Now next thing you want to do is to actually create the project. You can create it from scratch, or you can use the template, or you can use the AI tools. You can as well invite a member of your team to the workspace as a collaborator or as editor, as the case may be. And in our case, we just click on the new project. That's going to load a little while. Yes, so now we have the new environment. We can rename the environment and say um, just another design, right? So we have that already. So now at this point we can decide to create the design, using the basic tools already for the navigation. You can take the collection, but in this tutorial we're just going to focus on using the wireframer, which is the AI tool inside the framer.com. So right, let's do that. So now inside the wireframer we can kind of give it a prompt of what we want to create. Say we want to create a landing page, we want to create a personal blog, or we want to create a feature project, as the case may be, right? So let's assume we are a startup company and we just wanted to quickly set up a landing page. So we just come here, we can use any of this prompt which is already here. By default says create a landing page for my design startup. I would like a hero with a banner, a logo string, some features, and a newsletter section. And additionally, a blog section, right? And then let's click enter. So the framer tool is gonna uh, come up with the design, does a template that we can then begin to use. So the AI tool is generating the design based on the prompts that we have provided earlier. And let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, yes, so you can see I have assembled a landing page for your design startup featuring the hero section, logo string, 3 feature highlight, a newsletter sign up, and a blog session. Everything is wrapped up in detail footer. So let's go over here and take a look at what the design looks like. So usually it comes with the various device standard. So we have the desktop, we have the tablet, and we have, of course, here we have the mobile. And you can as well, you can zoom in just to see what it looks like. So already we have a design, and from here you can decide to start adding some things if you want. Start changing some of them, put your images, change the logo. You can see this nice footer here. In less than a minute you have your design for the various screens up and running. You can go back from the wireframe, you can make changes to the sections, or to the navigation, or to the menu. You want to choose different style of menu you want to add some collections, you want to include some icons, very popular icons. You want to include the media, the form, interactive, social utility. So it just give you like out of the box tool for you to just kind of work with, and then you're good to go. As well, you can invite, like I said earlier, and you can share this to your friends. um, in the meantime, let's just go ahead and just click this play button. So this helps us to preview what the design looks like. So I'm just going to scroll, looking at the design. Well, this is pretty cool for a good startup. And yeah, nice. So if you want to change the screen, just head over here and change it to tablet. And now we have it in the tablet version. We can as well go back to the phone screen. Now we have it at the phone screen. All right. So tell me in the comment section, if you are a new startup, will you want to use Framer for your design, or will you prefer the traditional Figma design? The choice is yours. Yeah, Framer also comes with plugin tools that you can use as well to just kind of make your designs very nice. And that'll be all for now.